Hey guys, Mrs. McBride here. I'm sorry I'm not here today. What you're doing today is you're taking a look at the weight and mass lab. Okay, so this says mass is a measurement of how much matter is in an object. Weight, or the force of gravity, is a measurement of how much gravity is pulling on an object. The purpose of this lab is to determine the relationship between weight and mass. So first thing I want you to do is go ahead and answer these two pre-lab questions. Please pause the video and answer those now. Great, glad that you're back. In terms of a procedure, you're going to design an experiment that will determine the relationship between weight and mass. So what I would do here is you're really just going to collect some data when we're measuring the mass of an object in kilograms, and we're measuring the weight of an object in newtons. I'd like you to take about 10 data points. Apparently I'm not very good at writing and holding the video at the same time. Pretend like this says 10 data points. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to pick objects that you see around the classroom. Oh look, here is a mug that I'm going to mass and weigh. Okay, these right here are called spring scales because in the back of them, oh my goodness, in the back of them is a little spring. Okay, you're going to use this to measure the amount of newtons. This scale goes up to 20. If you're weighing something lighter, you might want to find a scale that goes up to not as many. Okay, for example, this scale here only goes up to 5. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll go ahead and hook this. Oh, geez Louise. OMG. That was really easy. You'll hook this on an object and you are going to get a weight. So this particular thing looks like it has a weight of about 2.8 newtons. Then you will take this and you will walk this over here to one of these three balances, okay? And you are going to find the mass of this object. Okay, now remember, this is in grams. In order to go from grams to kilograms, you're going to divide by 1,000. Okay? Once you're done with this, you're going to write that back into your data table. And again, we need 10 of those where we're taking a look at the mass and the weight. Now, what happens if you want to weigh something that doesn't have a hook? Okay, well, I left these rubber bands here so you can use these rubber bands and then hook your spring scale on here. Make sure you mask them with the rubber bands on here as well. Okay, once you're done with that, you are going to make a graph. Okay, you are going to make a graph that's set up just like this. Okay, where I've got weight on the y-axis and mass on the x-axis. Okay, please watch the next video that tells you what to do in terms of the data analysis for this lab. See you soon.